This definitely will have tons of flavor. This is some cold water I had set aside for my broccoli. Hi guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another video. You guys, I'm going to make a quick stir fry. Yes, so how we're going to start this off is I'm going to cut the broccoli off. The stalk. Okay, and we're going to just chop it like so. And we're going to move that aside. Now we have some jumbo shrimp that I'm going to cut into pieces. Next, we're going to add us some black pepper. And salt. Okay guys, so we have our skillet pre-warming. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some butter in here. But meantime, we're going to add our broccoli over in the boiling salt water because we don't want to boil it, but we want to blanch it. Okay. Just a little more olive oil because now we're going to add us some garlic, minced garlic. We're going to add us some jalapenos. This is roasted garlic as well. Oh, the aroma. Oh, you guys. Oh, we're going to let that mingle. Now, it's your choice to add onion. But I'm going to add minced onions. And I'm going to add my couple of shrimp. Now this definitely will have tons of flavor. This is some cold water I had set aside for my broccoli because we want to keep that color. Now with this recipe, you really don't want to take your eyes off anything. And we're going to let that sit. I'm going to drain this in a second. Because I really, oh my God. Guys, this smells so delicious. We're going to add a little Worcestershire sauce, okay? Some people add soy, but I'm adding Worcestershire. Just enough. Nothing major. I'm adding a little paprika. Okay, now the shrimp is almost there. You guys keep an eye on that. Because now I am about to toss my broccoli. Number one, that was not cut. Gonna add a little more butter. Just gonna cover this so that the butter can melt down. Now I know this lid does not fit, but it's okay. Okay guys, so as you see, I have removed the shrimp and the broccoli. I am going to add a little sweet and sour to this because, you know, that's what I want to do. I want something different, right? You guys, I want something different. And we're going to mix that right on up in here. We're going to let this get a little more thicker for a glaze. And we're going to add this right back in here. Oh, look at there, you guys. We just want to sauce it. Everything with that delicious glaze. And there you have it. Sweet and sour, easy shrimp and broccoli, glazed it. I don't know. But anywho, that's my take on some shrimp and broccoli, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. See you on the next video. Sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.